Like that piece right here, like that looks like a good piece of 2x there, but we can't get to it now. So once we start moving all this material into the bin and we get some more access to it, then we'll pull it out. This one?
Okay, I love
That's a good looking piece, actually. We might be able to take this one. Ooh. That's a good looking piece. We can separate it, take this piece off, and we can probably just put it in our burn pile and burn it at the yard. We got a big burn barrel at the yard. We'll just cut it down and throw it in there. Same with the little the plywood that's in between the 2x4s here.